This is a final video to fix the ERR GFX STATE error in GTA 5 Enhanced. Are you tired of your game crashing or freezing every few minutes? This problem usually happens because of graphics driver issues or corrupted game files. Many solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today, I will show you a simple trick that works fast and keeps your game running smoothly. It only takes a few clicks and doesn't need complicated settings. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I will guide you through every step. Follow this trick from Rexist and say goodbye to the ERR GFX STATE error forever.